Alright, good morning. Today is May 14th, and yesterday we had a day, like I had said that this whole area was pretty low resistance, and my target was this area. 59.31 was the upper level that I posted yesterday, and we almost got there. You can see this big spike, and then we spend the whole day just consolidating here. It's a P-shaped profile, meaning like we couldn't finish business to the upside, so it's a bullish imbalance. We have a few left here. We have this latest one targets 59.66, but on a day like this, you know, it's kind of simple. It's like above this high you go long with a break, and then below you want to see how traders react to the spike, right? Trading inside the spike is bearish, and it negates this this move. And you know, if we start taking the spike, you know, with internal supporting, then you know the target becomes this area where we had this high volume nodes. But if we start trading inside the spike and then we see that we start turning, or that, you know, internals are not really supporting the move down, then that's, you know, that's your signal to go long. And then, you know, like it's like a look below and fail, right? Like look below yesterday's value, I'm failing, then targets the other side of value. So that should be the clearer setup today. And also, if we break above, watch internal supporting too. NQ already broke above it, and then came back down. You can see that it broke above yesterday's high and then came back inside the range. So that's a little interesting detail to notice. But anyway, if we start trading inside the spike and bears start pushing down, then look, I want to see a first reaction here at this high from Monday. And then if we start trading inside the range, we have some single prints here, and a high volume node at 58.65. So, and that's the same spot as the low from yesterday. So this area should be key. If we lose that, then target the point of control. And then from here, this is a double distribution. So here will be the scenario that I described. I think it was yesterday, where I said, you know, look at this double distribution as two separate sessions. So if we get here, look for support and a bounce, and if we get below this low volume area, look for a move down to this 58.25-ish area. And then again, above this target that I mentioned earlier, and then the ultimate resistance here for this move for today would be here, 59.80. I mean, if you want to be precise, you know, 59.82 is the low volume node. So this area is going to be resistance, and if we get above it, maybe not today, but 60.11 is the next target above, and then this high volume node, and then we have the open for 2025 at 60.20. For NQ, so NQ is, like I said before, it traded above that high and it failed to hold on the overnight session. But we want to see that reaction. We want to see what happens during the RTH it's more significant. There's more volume, more key players, more, you know, more everything, more relevance during the regular session. So above it, the target for this imbalance from yesterday is at 21,597, where we also have that low volume node and this two untested highs from, I think, February. Yeah, from February. And then below, if we get in the spike, first area to look for bounce is here at the 120 area. And then this is already gone, but and then here, from here, if we take the whole spike, look for the 21,000 area for support right here, which is the high from Monday, and this little chunk of volume that we have. And then from there, this high volume node at 20,915. And you know, as you can see, the bulls are still in control. We're seeing a lot of buying. Every bounce, every move down keeps getting bought up. Okay, crude is trading at that, well, it was trading earlier at that resistance area. Again, got rejected, came back to that mid area, but again, like I said, above this low volume area, above the 50 moving average, targets 66.35. So watch this area, watch this. I'm gonna set an alarm here around the 64.30. Above that, I want to be long. And gold, look at gold. Wow, we lost that support, so we're likely now going to 31.60. Now if we take it back, if we get back above 32.10, then look for 32.35, and then move back above this whole range, look below and fail, and then look for 32.70 again. All right, let's see what else we have. I don't think we have news today. We only have some Fed speaking now, and then crude oil inventories at 10:30, but that's it. So tomorrow we have PPI and core PPI, so keep an eye on those for tomorrow. But today, not much going on. All right, good luck.